So let's do 6-2-1 for empty values. So sometimes when you want to create a string or add something to a string, but you want to start off with nothing, this is one way of just initializing something so you can at least get something started, but you don't have a certain defined value yet, but you have it at least started. And this is how you set it up. What you have to do is you'll type var, as it says here, declare the variable to the word BCIT, var BCIT, and this actually should say initialize. So this should actually say initialize the variable to the word BCIT and give it an empty string. Sorry for the confusion, but here we're going to say var BCIT and it'll equal to empty string, semicolon. So what we're trying to say here is whatever the value of BCIT is, whatever sentence or word, we may not have something yet, but we want to set it up at least. So this is how you go about just setting up a string and getting it ready to be used later in the future. So let's do console.log BCIT, semicolon at the end. Now, let me clear that, and let me just do node test.js. And as you can see here, we actually get nothing. This is what an empty value is. You just will get nothing back because nothing has been added here between the two strings here. So how can you get something back that has no value between those two quotes right there? In order to get something back, we need to have some kind of information in between those quotes. But here, we're just giving this an empty value. So whenever you console log it, you can see right here, nothing gets returned.